Okay, so here see, this is a shopping site. For this shopping site we have a plugin. Okay, and when I scroll down, when I scroll down, when I scroll down the bottom, see here you can see something here. What is this? Can you analyze this box? This box, what is this base? What is this box related to? Is it showing some, like some logo which you can identify? Anyone from the group? No idea?
No idea.
Okay, see, this is a Facebook box. This is a Facebook box. You can see Facebook icon here. Already
Yes,
I
yes.
like this, so it is showing like. If you are new, then it will show option called like. And see here, the friends, whichever friends you have, all friends, it will show here their faces. Okay, see, if you have this kind of box in your website, what is the use? When people visit, they can easily scroll your Facebook from here on, and they can see their friends faces here. See, think that you have seen your friend here, then what do you feel? Your friend face is available. Okay, he liked it, so I'll also like. So in that you can increase your Facebook likes also. Okay, so lots of plugins are there, lots of plugins are there. And how to take the plugin, we'll learn now. And in the live class, when we'll design the website, there we'll select plugins and we'll learn what kind of plugins are available, which plugin is important, what plugins are needed for a website. We'll see everything. So here, see, plugin is there. Now I'll select a plugin. Now I'm going into add new here in the top. Okay, I'm clicking on add new. When I click on add new only, I can search a plugin. For example, I'll click on plugin. Okay, see, uh, fine. For example, now this is a website. This is a website. Now this is a normal theme. Now think that now December is coming, Christmas is coming. I want to show snow in my website or design in my website, something I want to show. For example, if any festival, Diwali is coming, I want to show like lights in my website. Or if any other festival, kites festival is coming, I want to show kites. Then for everything there is a plugin. For everything there is a plugin. Now here I'll select a plugin. Okay, I'll give one sample example so that you can analyze. Which plugin we will go? See, for selecting a plugin, the first property you have to make sure that plugin should be compatible with your version. That means you should have a tick mark. First thing. Second thing, see here I can see this plugin is having a tick mark, this is having a tick mark, and this is also having a tick mark. And when compared to these three, which one I have to choose? Which one I have to choose? Now I'm in a confusion. Which one to choose? Anyone from the group? Which one to choose? Go with your options, and you have to
One
tell
day
the,
ago, last
yeah,
updated one day ago,
you have to tell the reason also why you are telling that.
because it will be a latest version of it. Means
Which one you want to go? This one?
uh, a second one, Snow Monkey blocks
Okay,
one day ago.
fine. Is everyone with okay that, or somebody have some other answers?
First, sir, related stars and
Okay. See,
5 stars. It's related.
good. Okay. So, what I said, first thing you have to see the tick mark. I said. Second thing, you have to see the installations. Here we have 2000 plus installations. Here we have 4000 plus, and here we have 800 plus. See, stars. These stars are nothing but the people who maintain this plugin. They can give directly, but this application installations they can't give. By when you install only, it will show. Okay, just like Play Store, we have a Play Store where we can install apps. We can see how many people install that app. So here also the same thing. So here we'll install the plugin which maximum people are getting installed, so that we can analyze. Yes, see, for example, I'll give a sample example. Now think that you are going on a road, and there are some people are selling, some vendors are available on the road. Okay, now we have think that we know mirchi. Do you eat mirchi? Mirchi or tiffins
Yes,
outside?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now think that three tiffin centers are available. In this three tiffin center, middle tiffin center is having more number of clients or more number of customers. Then what do you feel?
The whatever the material the vendor is selling there, it could be a good quality or it could be a
That will be analyzing.
price.
Okay.
Okay.
So in that way only you have to analyze. Here we have 4,000 installations. That means this plugin is good when compared to this two. This is also good, but when compared to this two, this is good. So we'll go to this. Well, for sample, I'm installing this plugin. So it is taking some process to install. After installation, it will ask us to activate also. We have to activate. When you activate, then only it will be available in the website. Okay, without activation, it will not be available. It's taking too much time. Yeah, active. I'm activating this. Yeah, is the plugin activated? Yes. So where I have to check here, I'm in the plugins. Here I can see I have 4 plugins. 2 are active, 2 are inactive. In active section, if I go here, I can see yes. Just now I've taken Snow Monkey Blocks. This one. Whenever I don't want this plugin, simply I have to deactivate. Okay. See, I'll go here. I'll refresh this. Any snowballs? No snowballs. That means see, some plugins they'll implement directly on the website, and some plugins we have to manage by going there. How to manage? I'll go here. I have to check the plugin where it is. So where is the plugin in the left hand side? Appearance, it is not available. Settings, is it available in the settings? No. Tools, I'll refresh this. I can't see that plugin in the left hand side. Whenever you install a plugin, that will show in the left hand side only. Tools, where is the plugin? Can anybody see? I can't see here.
No, sir. I also not see.
I'll refresh.
There is a plugin editor, sir.
Where it is?
Install plugin.
No, here it is available installed, but
No, no,
here
no.
I
Here, in that row, plugin editor is just below inside that installed plugins. After the third number.
plugin editor. No, this is not plug.
Okay.
No, no, no. Here you will not see. Plugin you will see here only. The left hand side only that plugin will be available. I go to direct dashboard. See, sometimes what will happen, this plugin will show directly here. Sometimes it will show in the settings. Okay, three places will be available. And sometimes it will show in tools. It is also here also it is not showing. In settings also it is not showing. Okay, again where appearance, no, nothing. Nowhere I can see that plugin. So I'll do one thing. I'll go to plugins. I'll deactivate that plugin. I'll take some other plugin because that may be a defect from that plugin or some settings I have to do. How to deactivate? Simply deactivate from here. Okay, and see, whenever you feel like you don't want that plugin, try to remove that plugin from the complete WordPress. Why? Because this plugin will also have some size that will store into your database. Okay, so inactive plugins I have here. I'm going here. This plugin. This is a plugin. So delete. Okay, this plugin will be deleted completely from your WordPress dashboard. Fine, I'll go to plugins again. We'll go with second plugin, whichever is better. No. This two, I can go with anyone. Okay, this one will go falling things. Only 200 is having. Well, let's analyze for sample only. Activate. It is having a tick mark. Okay. Is it showing anywhere? The left hand side.
In setting, there is a that falling things. In settings.
In settings we have.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
falling
sir.
things settings
Second
we have.
last.
Yeah, I think that plugin is also showing up here. I didn't recognize that. Okay, what kind we want? Okay, first we'll analyze leaves. I'm refreshing this website. Yeah, we have leaves now. Leaves are falling on the website. How is it looking? Can you see this feature?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now depends upon the things. For example, I don't want leaf. I want flowers now. I can go with this. Now this is a direct plugin. I didn't do anything. Still leaves are falling, so I have to save something. Then only it will be done. Saved. I think that is a save option. That is their design. And now I can see flowers are coming. Yeah. So see, this is a sample for plugin. So depends. Now depends upon your requirement. You can go with plugin. Now I'll remove this plugin. I don't want this plugin. So I'll go to plugins again. Simply active plugins. Here is a plugin. Deactivate. And I'll go to inactive section. From here, I'll delete this thing. Okay. Is it clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, the next option we have something called users. Users. That means, see, now I'm the admin, I'm the user. Okay. Now, if you want to give permission to some other person, why? Because see, when I'm using, if somebody is using with the same credentials, that means same username and login, automatically my section will get logged out. Why? Only one access is available as of now. If you want to give, like if you want to work multiply, like multiple places or multiple people, then you have to create a user. Simply add a user by giving an email ID. Then he'll get a notification. There he can also work on your website simultaneously. Okay. Here we have something called tools. Something called tools. Do you have about tool? In our home, we'll have toolkit to do some repairs, to do some renovations. We'll be using this toolkit. So here we also have a toolkit. It will tell us the website, like how your website is, what is the health of your website, how it is performing, everything. And see, I said if you take some plugins, that will show in the tools also, I said. So now depends upon the plugin feature, it will show here. Okay, if that plugin is related to tools section, it will come into this. Okay, and here I have something called settings. In settings, I have lots of things again. General, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, lots of things are there. If I go to this general, now when we in the starting like the first session we installed WordPress. When we installed WordPress, what we have given here we give and there we have given site title, tagline we have given, and did you recognize I have given email ID also. So whatever you did in the first session, like whatever we did, here it will show. And from here, you can change your time zones. This is also very, very important. Why? Because see, for example, now I'm in India. Now what I should select time zone? That means my business is related to this time zone. That means the whoever person visits from India, that will be according to his time zone. If I go to Dubai or any some other location, I have to change this time zone. Now each country will have different time zones. According to that country, you have to go to the time zones. Okay. And if I go with writing, don't touch anything here. Don't touch anything. These are the like the technical section which is inside WordPress. Okay, technical sections. Don't touch anything. Just go with the reading part. Here I have something called a latest post and a static page. Okay, so see, when I go to this website, I'm in the, can you analyze I'm in which page? Can you analyze I'm in which page?
Home page.
Home page. So whenever the person visits your website, which page you want to show first, that page we'll be selecting from here. That means a static page. Static means a front page. A front page, whichever page. For example, for this website, I'm showing home. If I want to show contact, then what I will do from here, I'll select contact from here. As of now, we don't have any pages. We have only sample page for this website. So if I want to show contact page in the first, then I'll be selecting contact. That means whenever person visits this website, automatically contact page will be the front end page. Okay. And post also, we have seen post. So in a category, how many posts, like here we can select a post type of category. For example, I created a category here and I named it something. Now that section will be available here. Now I can select that category. Why is this helpful? See, we know Google, people will be searching in Google. Now when they search, they'll get results. In that results, if you want a better result of your website, then you have to select this option, post page. That means now technically Google will also analyze what section you have and it will pick the data and it will show. Okay, and here and each like now one category is there. In that category you are doing post. Okay, this is a section. You have one category, you're doing some post. So how many posts you want in a single page? So if you're selecting from here, that means, for example, I have selected 10. That means after 10 posts, you'll get an extension to the next page. For example, here, if I go to this website, here, when I scroll down, I can see something here. That means after certain products, automatically second page will be created. In the second page also, when the second page will get filled with some certain number which I have given in the admin section, after that again third page will be created. This is automatically, the system will generate automatically. Okay, is it clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so media, see here we have media, the same thing. Permalinks is nothing but the website URL, the type of URL you want to show to the people or to the search engines. Okay, here the best part to go is post name. This will be the best every time. Okay, so I'm selecting that. I'll be saving that. That will be SEO friendly thing. Then when you learn SEO, that will be benefited. Here, privacy, that means protection related thing. Change your privacy policy. That means like if every website will have a privacy policy which they have certain rules. Now if they created that page and showing their privacy policy, they can select from here. And limit login items. That means, for example, when I'm getting into login section of WordPress, think that I have given wrong password or wrong username, then again he'll ask me for login again. Think that I did it for 5 times. Now after 5 times he'll give some time period to again get into the login. So here we can keep that attempts. That means after 5 attempts it should give me timing, or after 3 attempts it should give me timing. Why? Because see, hackers will be available outside there. What they'll do, they'll try to hack your website. Now After one time, after second time, if you are giving some timing, that means he has to wait. He has to wait. After that timing only, again it will show username and password. He can't do. So it will have some time. The more he goes wrong, the more time will be increasing. Okay, this section will be useful for the security. So this is how the dashboard is. Got an idea of this one? We'll go into the design now. Is it clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Yes, sir.
have any doubt? They can go with their questions. That is a small question also, no problem. No hesitations. Everyone is a
Just
fresher here.
the question is related to plugins. If I want to add one form, which can be, we can add it from the plugin, right?
Yeah.
So it is quite difficult to attach your email. Means I want to add one form where I want to enroll the name for my course. Suppose I am design one course for the WordPress and I want to enroll the names of the student, and I want that all the data to be transferred directly to my email address. So how to do that, all the things?
That we will see when we design a contact form on the contact page. We'll see that. Now what
Okay.
I did, just we analyze the dashboard. That's it. Now we are going to create website. When we do in the process, you will get that.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone? Any
No,
more
sir.
questions?
No, sir.
So fine. Is it too technical or is it okay?
It is okay, sir.
Yeah. How many of you practiced yesterday thing? How many of you taken domain? How many have did the practice? Anyone from the group?
I did, sir.
Okay.
I
So
have purchased a free domain
okay.
and free hosting. I tried for it.
Okay. So whatever domain you have, just mail me. Now I'll also analyze how you are designing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. So we'll start a design now. Before that, in the real time, how we will do? We'll do in that way only. Okay. First thing, after installation of the WordPress, first we have to go to settings directly. Okay. First part, we have to go to settings. In the settings, just now we went for writing here. In the writings, not in writings, in reading. In readings, we have to select a static page. But what happened? We have not selected a real theme. So we don't have any pages here. So we can't do this. So this is a drawback. So what I should do next? The next option, appearance and themes. Appearance and themes. That means, see, as of now, I have a basic theme. A basic theme in the front end. I don't want this theme. I want my real theme, which I want to show to the people, which is related to my business. Okay. Now there are two ways to select a theme. Two ways to select a theme. First type is you can go directly with themes. You can go to add new. You can search for a theme. That will be the first type. Okay. So from here I can search. For example, I want speaker. I'm searching for a theme called speaker. That means these are the themes. I got 18 themes. Now whichever theme I feel better, I can take this theme in. Okay, this is one kind of process where I can select a theme. Okay, and the drawback is we can't analyze which theme will give which error. Maximum it will not happen out of 99 point out of 100%, 99.9% it will not happen. Sometimes. So if you are a good WordPress developer, you can analyze that. Okay, so and this is also best thing. But what I will do, I'll go back here. First, I'll go to plugins. I'm going with the second process. This is the first process. You can go here, you can install a theme, and that will be ready in the front end. That you can do. On the second process, I'll go to plugins. I'll add a new plugin. Okay. So try to concentrate. Why? Because this recording may not be available. I'm not sure. So try to concentrate. So here I'm searching for a plugin called Astra. Okay, I'm searching for a plugin called Astra. So Astra is a plugin which is for themes only. Okay, this is a good plugin and this is free also. So this is the first plugin we got. This is a symbol of that, and here I can see a tick mark I have and this many installations I have when compared to other Astra things. So I'll go with this. I'm installing this Astra. I'm activating this. So theme is now that plugin got activated. Now I have to select a theme. How to select? Again, I'll go to appearance here. Now I'll not go with themes. I'll go with this starter template. Okay, when you have taken that plugin, then only this option will be available. Before that, it will not be available. Okay, so I'm going with the starter template. So here, when I'm going here, now Astra is giving some options like these are the page builders. That means by using this plug, these are also plugins. Okay, by using these plugins, you can design a page. Okay, everything is best, and according to me, if you go with Elementor, that will be better. Okay, you can go with Beaver Builder also, that is also good, but my exam time I'll use Elementor. So here, now we got themes again. Okay, now these are separate themes, these are Astra themes. Okay, now that this here these themes are different. In the left hand side you can see appearance theme, this is different and this is different. Okay, here you will get the better theme and with a good coding part. Okay, why I'm telling this, because see, now hurry worry, if you are installing some theme from here, in future if it is giving some code problem, then again you have to do something, so double work. So what my suggestion is, less luggage, more comfort is my suggestion. Okay, so try to select the better theme which you want and go with Astra only. That will be better. So what I'm doing, first I'll search for the theme which I want. So I search for the speaker. I got two sections here. Two sections here. Now I'll go with this. I'll go with this and see. Okay, if I want to go with this, here in the top you can see something. It is saying agency. Here we don't have agency type here, but he's telling agency. That means this is a paid one. Okay, in Astra, whenever you see agency, that means this is a paid theme. It means we have to buy, and this is a free theme. Okay, I don't want this also. I'll go with some other theme. Which theme we will go? Manually, I'll select a theme. This will go Mercy Law. Uh, okay, I'll go with this theme. This is not an agency theme. This is a free theme. Okay, I'm import. See here we have import complete site. For the free theme only it will be available, and here we have two options: only homepage you want to import or the complete website you want to import. Both the things. Anyway, if we don't want, we can remove though. So import the complete site. See, whichever page is not needed, try to remove it. See here, when I'm installing this, when I want to install this, it is giving me a dialog box that if you want to delete any previous imported site, see the basic theme we have when we install WordPress. No, I don't want that. See, what I said, everything which you are installing that will include in that 30 GB space. I have byte starter thing. That starter is having 30 GB. Now everything will include on the 30 GB only. So I don't want that old default theme. So remove that. I'm asking from here and just import. Now it will take some process. It will be installed. Is it clear up to here? If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
Clear? We'll wait until it will get updated. So what do you feel? How the subject is? Is it tough? Is it easy?
It's easy, but
इजी है लेकिन प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी तभी वो
बहुत
easy
ज्यादा
Obviously.
होगा।
प्रैक्टिस लगेगी।
See, बिना प्रैक्टिस सब कुछ मुश्किल है, सब कुछ, not this anything in the world. See, we'll be eating daily. That may be chapati, that may be rice, that may be tiffin, anything. So we practiced it from the childhood, and now we are good in eating. Okay. Think that now all of a sudden somebody throwed you to China. Okay. There, what we'll have? We'll have sticks. You can eat
Yes.
for the first day with the sticks. Obviously, you
No,
can't.
I,
You have to
No.
practice again there. Now you are a fresher there. So practice, then only you'll get perfect. Okay. So yes, now site got imported. Yes, we'll go to the site here. Now I'm visiting the site. How the site is looking, we'll see. What theme we have selected? Yes, this only, no? No, see, fine.
Same.
Yes, the same thing we got. See that this is all the places. When you go with Astra, the same theme you will get and the complete theme you will get. If you go with the direct theme option under the appearance, you may not get the complete design. You have to do manually sometimes. Sometimes you'll get design, sometimes you have to design manually. So I got this thing. Why? See, this will help you a lot. Simple design, you now only simple sections will be available where you'll be changing something. That's it. So yes, I got this theme. Fine, done. Now what to do? What will be the next option? Now whenever you want going to design a site, what I said, you should have a layout. When your layout is ready, then you can design the site easily, I said. So this is my own site and this is a sample site, and I can design this site as I want. Okay. So I'll be having a design in my mind. If this is a client site, then you have to take the complete details from the site. Which color they want, which properties they want, what kind of things they want to show. Everything, every design you have to take from them. Then your work will be easy. If not, years will be passing, your work will not be done. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll design the header part now. We'll design the header part. After designing the header part, we'll, if time is sufficient, we'll go to the footer and we'll design the footer also. Okay. Fine. Now to design the header part, what I should do? I said customization. I said appearance customization, where we can customize our theme. I said, so here I have an option. Appearance, under appearance we have an option called customization. Now in this, if I go to customization also, uh, I can do something like, but that means every option will not be available in the customization. So some will be somewhere else, some will be somewhere else. So what to do, how to do, we will see. So before when I install the theme, I don't have menu. Now when I install the theme, I have this menu. That means when I have this menu, that means I have pages. I got default pages from the theme. Okay. See, by default, home is also got selected. That means according to the theme, static page in the settings we have seen in the reading, their static page we have static. We did not selected anything. Why? We don't have pages previously. But now home is got selected directly. Why? Home is available. By default setting has been changed. So what I will do, first I'll go with the